Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is mathematics is the queen of science, because in science there is lot of derivation and lot of numerical problem which is based on the mathematics. So you can say that mathematics is the queen of science. Now this is a new segment of the set. This is the complement of a set. Complement of a set. What is the complement of a set? Let U be the universal set and A is the subset of U. Let U is equal to universal set and let A is the subset of U. A is the subset of U. Then the complement of A is the set of element U is the set of all element in U which are not the element of A. The complement of set A is the element of set U which are not the element of A. Which are not element of A. Similarly, complement of set A represented by A dash. This is equal to U minus A. Means complement of the set is that set. Suppose U is the universal set and A is the subset of U. A is the subset of U. Then A dash is equal to U minus A. Suppose you have the value of U is given that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. A value of A is given that this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the complement of the set. Here you see that A is the subset of U. A is the subset of U. Then the complement of A, this is A dash is equal to U minus A, and this is equal to subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the complement of set A. This is the complement of set A. Means complement of set A is defined as if U is the universal set and A is the subset of U, then the complement of set A is defined as the element of U which is not in A. A general complement of set represented by A dash. This is U minus A. It is the complement of set A. It is the complement of set A. Now we move on some law. If you have complement of A dash, this is written as A dash. If you have a complement of A dash, then it is equal to A. How it can be possible? Here A dash whole dash can be written as U minus A dash. If you subtracting A dash